Is this your current data analyst job scenario? Thank you for your application as data analyst at our company. After careful consideration, we have decided not to progress with your application. Due to large number of applications, we cannot provide individual feedback. Thank you for your application. We have received overwhelming response. Please accept our sincere apologies for not getting back to you. We cannot proceed with your application at this time, but keep in touch. Ah, we have carefully reviewed your application and we regret to inform you that we cannot offer you an interview at this time. Shit. Thanks for your application. We really like your application. Your profile is interesting. However, we have just selected someone for the position already. Oh my god. Okay, let me go and try some more applications. Let me check out LinkedIn. Wow, this job looks interesting to me. Let me go and try to apply. 200 applicants. Oh my god, that's a lot. 397 applicants. Oh my god. Advanced Excel, that's okay. Are people even using SAS still? 15 years experience as BA analyst. Oh my god. 11 years experience in Python. People have been using Python for so long or what? The candidate needs to know Google Analytics, DBT, Looker Studio, SQL, Microsoft Excel, macros, Tableau. This is bigger than a grocery list. Did you resonate with whatever we were showing before? Don't worry, currently the job market is not that great, and there are two factors that are at play. The first factor is that a lot of people want to get into the tech space. People who are in non technical fields want to become a data analyst. So the competition is very intense. You need to be able to differentiate yourself. That's the first problem. The second problem is that currently there is a lot of downturn in many companies, many industries. Companies are even laying off people. These laid off people who are already very experienced are coming and competing with freshers in the job market. This makes the job opportunities and competition much more higher, right? So you need to be really careful. And hopefully, I think this market scenario will recover in the next few months. Let's wait and watch. If I have to give you one piece of advice right now, if you want, go and upskill yourself in more tools, do more projects, show your presence on LinkedIn, share your projects with others, approach people for networking and referrals. Keep doing this and keep trying. Try with a plan. Don't randomly apply to 100, 200 jobs. Apply to 30, 40 jobs with customized cover letters. I'm sure there is light out end of the tunnel and you'll be able to get a job soon. If you like this type of video, please like the video and share your thoughts. I'll see you again in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.